second General A series product includes industrial monitor, ARM all-in-one panel PC and X86 all-in-one panel PC. Products are available in 15 sizes ranging from 10.1 to 23.8. True flat touchscreen, IP65 rated front panel, 3mm ultra slim front panel, embedded installation. The frame of the product made of high-precision aluminum alloy die casting molding, compact and reliable housing design, rugged and impact-resistant. Rich interface design can meet the application requirements and expansion of different scenarios. All products use self-developed industrial-grade motherboards. The embedded X86 all-in-one panel PC are available in different configurations of motherboards such as J1900, J4125, J6412 etc., and support a variety of operating systems such as Windows, Ubuntu, Centos, Redhat, Debian, Linux. Embedded ARM all-in-one panel PC are available in different configurations of motherboards such as A64, RK3288, RK3399, RK3588, RK3568, etc., and support a variety of operating systems such as Android, Linux, Ubuntu, Debian. Supports panel mount, wall-embedded, wall-mounted, desktop, VESA mount, and other installation methods. Widely used in industrial control, military industry, communications, electric power, network and other automation fields.